Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 22,773 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the clutch cable is routed wrong but works as intended. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a blemish on the passenger seat, a dent on the top bag badge, a paint blemish on the left saddlebag, and a paint blemish on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, 2 keys, and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, Reinhardt exhaust, an open stage 1 intake, a Clockworks tinted windshield, chrome windshield trim, 10-inch handlebars, grips, smoke front and rear turn signals, foot controls, brake pedal, shift linkage, and chrome speaker and radio trim. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.